Hello traders. In this video, I will give you the very quick update on Nifty 50 and also I will present my analysis on few stocks. So let's start with first Nifty 50. Today's 19th March, Friday. Look at the low made by Nifty today. The low made by Nifty today is 14,350. So guys, this gap which was created after the day of budget is finally filled. If you remember, I have presented this analysis on 1st March. This video I've uploaded on March 1st, and clearly I have mentioned in this video that this gap area can work like a demand zone. And today it worked, it actually happened. 14,350 is the low made by Nifty today in today's trading session. And with this, guys, SBI also made filled the gap. So here you can see the gap area for SBI. So we have already discussed in uh, previous analysis with my pro traders. 359, 384, this was the gap area, and this gap area is actually filled today. SBI, look at the low made by SBI today, it is 357. So I feel that as long as today's low is holding in SBI can retest 384 levels in coming trading sessions. Once 384 is also taken out, you can expect 400 415 levels for SBI in coming trading sessions. So let's see how this counter is moving. So I'm bullish on SBI as long as price is holding today's low, which is 357. And coincidentally, you can see 50 moving average is also placed at the same level. So very crucial level 357. As long as it is holding, I'm expecting SBI to retest 384, 400, 415 levels in coming trading sessions. Yeah, but if price break 357 with strong bearish candle, then we may see 300 levels also in SBI. So let's see how this counter is doing. Now, apart from this, let me present my analysis on Muthoot Finance. So if you remember in today's session, I have advised to go for bear call spread. So let's see how I decided the levels, how you can analyze any price graph. See guys, very first thing when you open the price graph, look for the trend, whether price is in uptrend, downtrend, or sideways. So if I talk about Muthoot Finance, in this region, price was completely sideways. So let me note down the levels for you. So this was around 1340 level, and this was around 1275 level. So you can see price was consolidating in the range of 1275 to 1340 level. And look at this strong bearish candle yesterday, that is on Thursday. Muthoot Finance break 1275 level with strong bearish candle. So that's why this made me to go for bear call spread strategy in Muthoot Finance. Now look at this candle. This is the shooting star 15th February candle. Now from here, if you see carefully, price is forming lower tops. And if you see RSI, you can see it is below 40. So all these levels or all these data indicates me uh, weakness in the counter. So I expect price may not cross 1340 level, because we have only now 4 trading sessions in expiry from Monday till Thursday. So this is how I develop my view on Muthoot Finance. I initially observed price is moving sideways. I observed that price is forming lower tops. I look at the RSI. I look at this big bearish candle. So this all indicates me weakness in the counter. Once I develop my view, what I do, I go to option chain analysis. So let me take you to option chain analysis for Muthoot Finance. This is Muthoot Finance. Now look at the 1200 strike. What is happening in 1200 strike? On put side, 1200 strike is having highest open interest with 1,63,500 shares active. So this is looking like it can work like a support for March expiry. Now look at what is happening on call side. 1300 strike is having highest open interest, 2,12,250. So this can work like resistance. So to be on safer side, what I have done, I have given you 1340 strike instead of 1300. So sell 1340 strike and you can hedge by buying 1440 strike. In this way, you will get a margin benefit and you can earn easily 1.2 percentage returns in 5 trading sessions. So again, once again, you can take a look at the graph. Right now, the price today on Friday closed at 12:30. So 1340 is looking difficult to break in this expiry. As I told you, we have only now 4 trading sessions left. Even if we get a very good bounce in Muthoot Finance, what we can do, we can place stop loss in 1340 strike. Stop loss can be 2 times of your selling price. So in this way, you can manage the trade. Now let me give you the very quick update on Hindustan Unilever. Now see this candle today. Today it was a massive move in Hindustan Unilever. Look at the real body of this candle. This candle is having a big real body, 4.4 percentage gain. So this candle has engulfed many previous candle. So this is looking like a very strong candle. Look at the RSI is also looking very strong, above 60 as of now. So I feel the low made by today, which is 2191. So as long as price is holding today's low, Hindustan Unilever can retest previous high 2454. So keep a close watch on this counter also. You can place 2191 as your stop loss if you are taking a trade on Monday, and you can expect 2454 target in coming trading session. So you can go for positional trade for this counter. Now let me show you Cholamandalam Finance. A beautiful uptrend in Cholamandalam Finance. From February, I can see price is moving completely flat, or you can say sideways. The range is 515 on downside and 558 on upside. So price is taking resistance near 558 levels and support is placed at 515 level. So watch for a breakout. We want strong breakout above 558 level. Target can be 595 595 to 600 in coming trading sessions. So look for this counter as well. That's it in this video.